In this video, I'm going to teach you how to easily download and install any Epson printer manually in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's dive in quickly to the process. First things first, we need to bring up our Google Chrome. How we can do so, please navigate at the bottom search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, we just have to wait until a best match would appear in this window, and once it's here, click open to continue. So in a few moments, you would be redirected to the Google Chrome browser. We just have to wait until everything are set here before we can proceed. So from here, just proceed to the search bar and type for Epson space printer. Let me just edit my typo, my bad. Space driver. So it is Epson printer driver and click on enter so that you would be redirected to the result. So in this new window, you can see a list of results. All you need to do is you need to click on the first one. Just have to click on the first one of the list of results and wait until you are being redirected to that particular link that you have just clicked on. So from here, it will ask you to enter the product name of the Epson printer driver. Just type the product name or the model of the printer driver that you would like to install here in Epson. So let's say, for example, in my case, I would like to install Epson L360. Okay, in your case, just type the product name that you would like to install and download and install here in your Windows. So click on search, aligning to it and wait until you are being redirected to the list of result. Okay, so you would be able to see the support product search result. Just proceed to the first one, which is Epson L360, which what we are looking for in my case. In your case, just have to select the result that is in aligning, that aligns to the product name that you have entered. Okay, so from here, just click on this downloads and wait until a list of option would be showing up here. So it will ask you to select or choose your OS. Just have to set for Windows 11 and click on this go next to it. So from here, we just have to wait until a list of the option would be available where we can download this Epson L360 in my case. In your case, you just have to wait, okay, until that product name or that printer driver that you have searched on the search bar a while ago would be appearing here in the result. Okay, so once it's here, please click on the drivers, click on it, and it will show you the printer drivers. So aligning to it, you can see there a download option, click on it. And if it will ask you to agree on the license agreement, click on accept so that you can now start in the downloading process and click on keep so that you can continue. So we just have to wait until this would be completed before we can continue to the installation. Once done, please click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. The next step that we need to do is we need to make a right click and go with the scat icon. Once done, close all of the windows that are being opened. And here at the desktop, please make a right click and go with the spaced icon. And once you have successfully moved the printer driver that you have installed or download earlier, okay, sorry for that, let's move on to the extraction of this file. So make a right click and all you need to do is you need to scroll down and you just have to select this one and then go to extract to. So eventually it will now start on the extraction. We just have to wait until this would be completed. Once done, all you need to do is you need to proceed to the button search bar here and type for settings. Okay, you can also press Windows key and I key together and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings. So click on open once a best match should appear in this window. And from here, please navigate to the left side of that. You can see there are Bluetooth and devices. So click on it and under the Bluetooth and devices, please select on the devices and just have to scroll down and locate for this option called more devices and printer settings, this one. So click on it or simply tap on it. So eventually you would be able to see this kind of window. Please proceed to the upper left side of that. You can see there add a printer. Please click on it and this kind of window would show up. Please select at the bottom side which is the printer that I want is enlisted and choose this one which is add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port as your existing or printer port. So in my case, I'll be using USB 001. Go with next and eventually go with have disk. So from here, you will be able to open up this window. Please proceed to the desktop where our extracted file is being saved to. Double tap to it. Double tap once again. Again, double tap and it will show you the driver here. Go with open. Click on the OK once it is being set and once it is being placed here, go with next, click on next, and it will now start on the installation. So we just have to wait until this would be finished. Your account would ask you to say yes. Proceed with yes so that you can continue to the installation of your printer driver. So from here, please allow for printer sharing. Click on next. Click on finished. And there you have that. You have just successfully installed an Epson printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So by that, you can now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.